Happy morning, children. Welcome to the mathematics class for 4th standard ICSE. Today we are going to start a new unit, 5th unit, play with numbers. In this unit we are going to see about multiples, factors, prime and composite number, prime factorization, LCM and HCF. Let us go to the lesson now. First one is a warm-up section in your book, page number 69. So here we have Rani want to count the number of legs of the cow in a dairy farm. So, but she didn't able to see the legs. But she know the number of legs for the cow. So first thing is the tabular column is given number of cows and number of legs. We know that one cow has 4 legs. So first cow 4 legs, second cow 4 plus 4 8. Third 4 plus 4 plus 4, that is 3 4s are, you can multiple and write, which will be easy for us. Okay, so 3 4s are 12. Next 4 4s are 16, 5 4s are 20, 6 4s are 24. You can complete the table. Next same page 69 we have a B Roman letter. Razia is planting vegetables in her garden. She has planted 12 plants of a different types. Look at the garden and fill the blanks. That's a question. First one is cauliflower. So 12 multiply by 1. All the 12 cauliflower she planted in one row itself. Next one is tomato. Tomato she planted in 2 rows. So, 2 columns. First one is 6 plant in one column and 6 plant in another column. So 2 6 are 12. Next one is a brinjal. 4 plants, 3 columns. So 4 3s are 12. The same 12 will be divided into 1 into 12, 2 into 6, 3 into 4. So coming to the multiple topic, Mr. Froggy jumps 3 steps at one time. Okay, from 1, Mr. Rabbi jumps 4 steps at one time, starts from 1. So it is a Froggy and Rabbi. For Froggy jumps 3 in one step, Rabbi jumps 4 in one steps. So it will go in 1 3s are, 2 3s are, 3 3s are likewise, and the Rabbi jumps 1 4s are, 2 4s are, 3 4s are. So look at the picture and you have to color it in page number 70. The jumps are 3 table for the Froggy and the 4 table for the Rabbi. Checkpoint in page number 70. So after seeing the multiples, we can do this one. Tick the multiple of 2. So we know the 2 table, it will the even numbers will come. 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6. So similarly, what number is present here, we have to put a tick. First one is 2 is there, you can put a tick. 9 will never come in the 2 table. Then 10 is there, put a tick. 18 is there, put a tick. 25 will never come in the 2 table. Second question is tick the multiple of 5. So we know that 5 table, 5 ones are 5, 5 2s are 10. So 5 will come, 14 will never come, 20 will come, 32 will never come, 35 will come in the 5 table. Next one is write the 6 table. They are asking us to write the 6 table. 6 ones are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24, 6 5s are 30, 6 6 are 36. Next in page number 71 we have understanding of multiples. So for we read about multiples, what is mean by multiple, and here the definition also given. When 2 or more numbers are multiplied, the product is called multiple. So the product of 2 numbers is called multiple. The properties of multiple is every number is a multiple of 1. So one table all the number will come. So every number is a multiple of itself. So 57 means 57 will come in the 57 table. 92 means 92 will come in the 92 table. Okay. Next, smallest first multiple number is itself. So it's a itself. Next, every multiple of a number is equal to or greater than the number itself. Yeah, always it will be equal to its number. Then there is no largest multiple of a number as multiplied are infinite. So we cannot say the largest multiple of this number because it is going on infinity. The 2 table will never end in 2 tens or 20. It will go on. So there is no endless. Next, multiple of a number divisible by the number. So it will be divisible by itself. So 2 will divide by itself. 5 will divide by itself. Next, mental maxims in the same page number 71. Every number is a multiple of 1 and itself. The smallest multiple of 7 is 7. The multiple of 12 is 12. The first 3 multiple of 8 is 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24. Next, 6 into 9 equal to 54. So 54 is a multiple of 6 and 9. Next, in page number 72, we have a mental maxims. 7 into 8 is equal to 56. So 56 is the multiple of 7 and 8. 15 is the smallest number means 15 is the multiple of 15, smallest one. 4 into 7 is equal to 28. Upper 28 means it is a multiple of 4 and 7. 6 5s are 30. So multiple of 6 and 5 is 30. Next, 5 table. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 5, 4s are 20 is there. So it is a multiple of 5. Exercise 5.1. We will do first Roman letter in the book itself and second, third Roman letter we will do it in the CW. First one is busy bee is collecting nectar from every third flower. Start from 1. So color orange, the color visited by the bee. Color blue, the color the flower. So first thing is the first 1, 2, 3 flowers, they book itself they colored. You have to color the remaining flowers. 2 flowers blue, 1 is orange. Again 2 flowers blue, 1 is orange. So what I did here. Next one is multiple of 3. So first one is write the first 3 multiple of 10. So 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20, 10 threes are 30. Multiple of 7 is 1 sevens are 7, 2 sevens are 40, 3 sevens are 21. Multiple of 11 is 11 ones are 11, 11 twos are 22, 11 threes are 33. Similarly, the C Roman letter also write the 5 multiples of 8. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 4s are 32, 8 5s are 40. So you have to complete the remaining sums. D Roman letter write the first odd multiples of. So we know that 5 table, 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. 10 is a even number. You have to skip the number. 10 threes are 15 and 10 fours are 5 fours are for 20. You have to skip the number. 5 5s are 25. You have to write. Then 5 6 are 30. It's a even number. Skip the number. 5 7s are 35. So you have to write like that. We need to write for 5 numbers, only the odd numbers. Next is you have to write only the even numbers, even multiple of numbers. So first 9 table, 9 ones are 9, odd number, 9 twos are 18, even number, 9 threes are 21, odd number. You have to skip the odd number. Next number you have to write the answer. 9 threes are 21. Skip the number. 9 4s are 36. You can write. So likewise you have to write only 5 numbers. Next Roman letter F, write the multiples of 4 that are greater than 40 but lesser than 60. In 4 table the multiple we have to write after 40 but less than 60. So when you multiply with 4, otherwise greater than 4 means 40 plus 4, 44, 44 plus 4, 48, 48 plus 4, 52, 52 plus 4, 56, 56 plus 4, 60. So 60 we cannot reach. It should be less than 60. Next is 6 that are greater than 60 but lesser than 85. Similarly, 60 plus 6, 60 plus 66 plus 6, 60, 72 plus 6, 78, 78 plus 6, 84. Then we reach 85 now. So we can stop. Next 12 that are less than 60. You have to write 12 first number, 12 plus 12, 24, 24 plus 12, 36, 36 plus 12, 48, 48 plus 6, 60. But we should not write 60. Next 15 that are less than 50. So 50, 15, 15 plus 15, 30, 30 plus 15, 45, 45 plus 15, it will greater than 50. So we need to stop. Next one is true or false in your book, page number 73. 27 is a multiple of 4. In 4 table, 27 will come or not. We need to check. It will never come. So, false. Second one is 35 is the multiple of 5. In 5 table, 35 will come. So, it is true. 49 is the multiple of 7. 7 table, 49 will come. 7 sevens are. So, it is true. 94 is a multiple of 2. Of course, 94 is a even number. It will come on the 2 table. So, put true. Next 86 is the multiple of 8. In 8 table 86 never come, so false. 99 is the multiple of 11. Surely in 11 table 99 will come, it is true. Next in checkpoint in page number 74 we have they given one a number line and a skip counting of a red color and green color they given. So multiple of 2 we have a 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. And multiple of 3 they given 6, 3, 9, 12, 15. So we need to find it out the common multiple, that is which number will come in the 2 table as well as in the 3 table. Here we have a 6 and a 12. So in exercise 5.2 we are going to do the common multiples. So we know the multiple of a single number. 3 table we know, 6 table we know. So find it out the 6 table and 3 table together. Here put a tick for green color for the 3 table and the red color for the 6 table. So in 3 table 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 six are 18 they given. In 6 table 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18. For this both we have a common number is 6, 12 and 18. The second Roman letter is write the 10 multiples of the following and find the common multiples. So write 2 and 3. 2 table you can write and 3 table you can write up to 10. So find it out. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 six are 12, 2 sevens are 14, 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18, 2 10s are 20. So up to 20 we write. Similarly for the third table, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 6 are 18, 3 sevens are 21, 3 8s are 24, 3 9s are 27, 3 10s are 30. So here we have the common numbers. Choose the common number. 6 is the common, 12 is the common and 18 is the common. So from the both the number we have the common multiples 6, 12 and 18. Similarly for the second sum 5 and 10. 5 table you have to write, 10 table you have to write and the common multiple is 10, 20, 30, 40. Next to Roman letter C, we can do it in the book itself. Similarly to the 2 table and the 4 table, you need to jump 2, 2, 2 for the up and for the 4 table for the down and circle the common multiples. 2 table and 4 table common multiple is 4, 8, 12, 16 and 20. 6 table and 3 table. And up you have to jump for 6 table, down you have to jump for 3 table. The common multiple is 6, 12 and 18. Next 5 and 2. Up you have to jump for 5 table, down you have to jump for a 2 table. The common multiple is 10 and 20. That's it children. We completed exercise 5.1 and 5.2. We'll see the next class with the next interesting topic. Thank you children. Stay home and stay safe.